Let me send you back. I was flipping people off the whole way. Get out of here, all of you. My son didn't do anything wrong. I think this is all kind of gone too far. What do you think you're doing? Gonna make this right. Everybody, listen. I have something to say. Cleveland Jr. doesn't deserve any of this. All those days he worked with Cleveland Jr. were lies. He didn't do anything to me. He's a good kid from a good family. I just got scared and I did something stupid. I swear I didn't know that they would have called this scam, but I did shoot him. I deserve to be held responsible for my actions, even if that means going to jail. You heard about the cops. Let's take them in. He doesn't know our names, does he? I don't think he does. Wait a minute. Peter didn't shoot my son. I did. Peter was just taking the blame for me. He's a good friend.
Mr. Rowe,